Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can use the outline view in Microsoft Word. So let's go quick into the process. So let me just quickly open my Microsoft Word document. In your case, you just need to simply open that as to where you have saved that. Okay, so once you have opened your Microsoft Word document, what we need to do is we just need to simply look at the ribbon and you will find all these tabs. So you'll find File, Home, Insert, Draw, Design, Layout, Preferences, Mailings, Review, View, Help, and the Acrobat. Now click on the View tab, this one. And here you will find Outline and Draft. Now click on Outline. So Outline views see your document in outline form where content is shown as bulleted points. So just like you're making an outline by putting bullets before your sentence or your text or paragraph. Now click on outline and let's see how this would look like. And that's it. This is the outline view. So your text or there's a bullet that is before your text. Okay, so each paragraph has this bullet before it. And if you want to exit the outline view, just simply click on close outline view, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.